फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थँक अरुणाचल प्रदेशान आमकां बरो सपोर्ट केलो आमचे टिमीक. नॉट टुडे, सिन्स वी आर प्लेइंग फ्रॉम फर्स्ट डे दे वर सपोर्टिंग अस. आनी टुडे वॉज नॉट अवर डे कित्याक आमी बरे खेळले भुरगे आमचे. वी आर प्राऊड ऑफ देम. आनी बट आमचो नेटान भितर बॉल वचपाक वॉज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट लायक. आनी टुडे वॉज नॉट अवर डे. बट एज अ GFA एंड एंटायर लायक आमी संतोष ट्रॉफीन खाला आहले. आयज आमी एक दुसऱ्या लेवलाचेर पावले. होप इन कमिंग इयर वी वील गेट बॅक संतोष ट्रॉफी.
ओके जंजू कितें म्हणटा खंयचे ऑन वीच फ्रंट करेक्शन्स करपाक जाय?
ना इन जनरल द फूल टीम बरें खेळले आनी इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ द गेम विनिंग लुजींग. बट more importantly we are happy with the performance. And I think if you ask the people in Goa, everyone will say that Goa really played well, and the result is not up to us, but what we can control is how we play, and we have played really well, and that is all we can do. The result is up to God, but we are proud of the team. I think Goans are proud of the team, and I think Goan football is alive. Okay, this tournament proves that we can still compete. We still have that fire to compete with the rest of the country, and this will motivate us to work harder in the next. We have 2 years left in our term. We will work harder. We will President sir, he is putting so much of his time, his own money, his effort, and one day this will bear fruit. Okay, so we will do our best in the coming 2-3 years, whatever term is left of ours. We will work hard, and I'm sure success will follow.
So audienceatल्यान रिएक्शन येल्ले की सर्विसेस won the trophy but Goa won the hearts म्हणून.
Yeah, I mean I agree with that, because if you see the way Goa played in the entire tournament, I think most of the crowd here in Arunachal, they wanted us to win, and we played really beautiful football. Faiz, one touch passes, Joshua, defense Ali, Clement, though he was missing today, but in the entire tournament he played really well. Our coaching staff, even from the first phase, the coaching staff from this coaching staff, they did very well. Okay, and I'm just looking at the positive side that everyone said okay, Goan football was dying, but there is something positive. There is a silver lining. Okay, and Goan football is not dead, it's alive. We just need to work a little bit harder, work on our youth development program, work on our grassroots, and I'm sure very soon we will taste success at the national stage again.
Okay, Kaitan, largely a message to players.
जो रिदम दवरला आयज हे फूल टोर्नामेंटाक असोच फुडें दवरचो आनी आमी संतोष ट्रॉफी परतून हाडपाक शकता. ते आमी टार्गेट दवरले. आमचे फ्युचर फुटबॉलर या जे आसा आतां खेळल्या ते फुटबॉलर वी कॅन चेंज इट. आनी हांव एक रिक्वेस्ट करता आमच्या गव्हर्मेंटाक, GFA फुटबॉलाक तुमी सपोर्ट करा कशें ज्यो दुसऱ्यो स्टेटी करता तशें. सी GFA आमचे सायडीन एक्झिक्युटीव कमिटी आमी आमचे सगळे फंडींग यूज करून करता. मातशें गव्हर्मेंटानूय आमकां सपोर्ट केलो, बिकॉज गोवा फुटबॉल इज अ स्टेट गेम, स्टेट स्पोर्ट्स.
लिटल सपोर्ट फ्रॉम स्टेट विल.
ते गव्हर्मेंटान आमकां मातशें मोटिवेशन दिलें. ग्राउंड दितात ते फ्री. थोडे फंडूय आमकां केले. वी कॅन चेंज दीस सिनेरियो इन कमिंग इयर्स.
proud. I'm very much proud. But we showed what Goa is. I guess 95% the crowd was supporting us the way we played. The Goan football is not yet bad. As I said before, Northeast is trying to conquer the whole of India. But we Goans, now, starting from myself, we have to start thinking now for the future. If we play good now, the people will remember that Goan football is there, still alive. And I want to do that. It's not only me, it's the whole team. The whole team does that. From 322 a year. Why? Because we were the best ones. So if we could do something better now, so even the future will be doing better. So guys, put your head up. I know it's a loss. Even I had lots of thinking. I had lots of stuff to be done. But yeah, it started. But I can't, depend on it. It's done. What we had in our hands, we lost it. So now guys, I just want to say, cheer up. Let's do what has to be done now. And focus on future. And let's try to rectify mistakes. And inshallah next year we try to win this again. Okay? Let's come on.
Okay. Full Santosh Trophy squad now on coaching staff. Poile suwatir Carl Johnson Dev Barakur Goa Football Association President Dr. Caetano, Vice President Jonathan, Senior Most Vice President Anthony Bamba, Executive Committee members Sugar Sir, Kosamgal, Pervin and co-opted member. Kita tumche adaran team Italy Freedom Pauli and final Tigun Pauli. As I said before, Inga Paupa, Ami Ukari, Adi game qualified for the at the last but not the least, Amche Naman, Ami, yes, from Ilya Burgan, start from head coach Charles, myself as the Assistant Secretary Fernandez, Technical Director Mariano, Senior Manager Amsa Sanjay Nabenkar, as well as Dr. Aaron, so Ilya Burgan, Carl Johnson, Dev Barakur, to advocate to make but final, but this is not the last. आता आमच्या गोंयच्या फुडारा पासत ह्या भुरग्यांनी हो सण आमी सगळ्यांनी वचून कितें करूंक जाय आनी फुडली संतोष ट्रॉफी न्हू ऑल नॅशनल आमी कशें जिखूंक जाय कसो वार फुडें करूंक जाय म्हणून हांव तुमच्या लागीं सगळ्यां लागीं मागता आमी एकवटान हें फुडें व्हरया. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
Actually, it is quite difficult to speak, but yes. As a coach, first of all, I like to thank Goa Football Association for giving me this opportunity. All the members, President, Secretary, senior most members who are there. I'm very, very happy that you people have cooperated a lot, given a moral boost, moral good support. And my dear players who were there with me, who were fighting a lot till the end of the last whistle. I don't know how to, kitkon tumge ukar atopato makpana as a coach. It's quite difficult, but appreciated and respected to all my players. Especially, it's very difficult, and a person who is there with me, my good friend Mr. Severino, and a big mentor who is there, technical director Mr. Mariano Dias, is an outstanding person. He is a little bit quiet, but he is very helpful. He likes to help people. He talks a little bit lesser, but from heart, he's very good. I'd like to thank him very much for all the way he has stayed with the team, helped us a lot. And my dear members, it's a humble request to you. Let's try to focus what we can do better in all the nationals and for Goa Football Association. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. I'm very, very pleased for it. Thank you and God bless you.
from day one, the matches have been won by you and not the coaching staff, because you have given everything what you had from day one, first match till today. We were pushing you, and you prove that you have the potential, and Goa has the potential to reach the final. Not that we did not play well in the final. We played very well, only a bit of luck which did not favor us. Yeah, but this is not the end. You will be going back to your clubs. In fact, you have to move. This is a part of life again. Losing, winning. Last 2 days before we were laughing after winning the semi-final, and today we are set. The team that wins smiles always, and again this is part of the game. Continue. And I also like to thank President. He was always up and down, up and down. President, we feel sad that we are not able to give the trophy on behalf of players and coaching staff. Your expectation was there, were high. We tried our best, and this is. But you were always supportive. Especially President used to come often, motivated players. But let's move forward. This is not, and life has to go on. Thank you again, Goa Football Association. This shows how much interest you have coming all the way from Goa. But can't help. Yeah. Let's move on. Let's move on. Keep the level there. Thank you.
Today's match still played very good boys, but there is no luck. आता टेक्निकल डायरेक्टर सांगला पळय सेमीफायनल सगळे आसताले आज मातशें, पण काय नजर वील ट्राय improve all the technical म्हणजे good faith by आमचो प्रेसिडेंट खूब फाटी गेलो येलो गेलो आनी आमकां सगळ्या भुरग्यांक हे भुरगे सांगताले बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दीस एक्झिक्युटीव कमिटी मेंबर आनी प्रेसिडेंट कायतान हेका आमी ट्रॉफी हे करुया म्हणून, बट इट्स मेळ्ळो. ऑल द प्लेयर प्लेड वेरी गुड. अशें तुवें मुखार कॉम्पिटिशनाक ट्राय कर आनी GFAचे नांव मातशें वयर काड. थँक्यू.
Next year is there. Another season is there. Another Santosh Trophy is there. Okay, we are proud of it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Normally, you can make this coach as awesome. The Sudan